A 22-year-old woman was subjected to extreme abuse before being burned alive inside a car in Arizona. 3 men from Tennessee are now charged in connection with her torture and murder. On April 2023, Mercedes Vega, an exotic dancer residing in Tempe, Arizona, was last seen entering a parking garage near her apartment. Investigators discovered blood both at the parking garage and inside Mercedes' abandoned vehicle nearby. According to court documents reviewed by Arizona Central, Mercedes suffered severe trauma, including being shot in the arm, beaten in the head, and having bleach forcibly introduced into her throat. Her body was found burned in the backseat of a car not registered to her, discovered on the side of Interstate 10 near Tonopah, about 60 miles from her residence. The Maricopa County medical examiner attributed her cause of death to burns and smoke inhalation, indicating she was alive during the fire through carboxyhemoglobin testing. The level of her injuries and evidence of forced bleach ingestion suggests she endured significant torture. 3 suspects have been linked to the crime. Kajio Young, previously charged with armed robbery involving Mercedes in 2020, was out on an ankle monitor at the time of her death. Prosecutors are reviewing recommendations to charge him with conspiracy to commit first-degree murder and kidnapping. Sensor Hayes was arrested in Tennessee in November 2023 and extradited to Arizona. He faces multiple counts, including first-degree murder, kidnapping, armed robbery, and vehicle theft, with the prosecution seeking the death penalty. A third man, Jared Gray, was arrested in Georgia. Extradition proceedings are pending, and authorities plan to charge him similarly. Forensic evidence played a crucial role. A fingerprint found on a plastic grocery bag inside Mercedes' vehicle matched Hayes' prints after his arrest and submission to the database. Gray's fingerprint was found on a plastic cup inside the burned-out car where Mercedes' body was discovered. Blood evidence within the vehicle and at the scene has been subject to analysis to identify its source and link suspects to the crime. Investigators also secured travel records and cell phone location data, showing that the suspects coordinated their movements in connection with the crime, including plane ticket purchases tied to cell phone numbers tracking the vehicle's path on the day of Mercedes' death. Authorities interviewed witnesses, including a man who was reportedly instructed by Kajio Young to pick up Hayes and Gray near the crime scene late at night. Cell phone data corroborates the suspects' proximity to the murder and subsequent movements across state lines. Additional charges may relate to a broader criminal enterprise. Court documents reveal Young allegedly led a nationwide drug trafficking ring involving fentanyl distribution and money laundering. Prosecutors filed charges including weapons misconduct against him. Other alleged co-conspirators have accepted plea deals. Currently, the case remains under active investigation. Extradition for Jared Gray is pending, and further court proceedings will address charges of first-degree murder, kidnapping, and conspiracy. The Maricopa County Attorney's Office continues to review evidence and formal charge recommendations. Toxicology and forensic analyses have been completed, strengthening the prosecution's position. For more breakdowns of real court cases, subscribe and turn on notifications.